Hello children, in this video I will tell you about the global wind patterns. Children, it is easy to realize that there would always be an uneven heating of the earth. Some parts of the earth get readily heated up, some take time. It means that there is uneven heating, barabar heat nahi hoti earth. And due to this uneven heating, there are global wind patterns. This uneven heating of the earth results into global wind pattern. Just see the diagrams of the global air patterns. We know that the places which are near to the equator receives maximum heat energy from the sun. जितने भी प्लेसेस इक्वेटर के आसपास होते हैं वहाँ मैक्सिमम हीट मिलती है, मैक्सिमम हीट एनर्जी होती है. Therefore the air at these places get heat up and rises. जब यहाँ पर ज़्यादा गर्म होती है एयर तो वो क्या होगी, एयर गर्म होकर हल्की होकर ऊपर उठेगी and leaves a low pressure area behind it. जब उस जगह से एयर नहीं होगी तो वहाँ पर क्या हो जाएगा, वहाँ पर लो प्रेशर एरिया क्रिएट हो जाएगा. लेकिन जो ऊपर के लैटिट्यूड्स पर एयर है वो ठंडी है and it will rush towards the low pressure area to occupy the space. From the cooler air, mainly from the places between 0 to 30 degrees latitudes and the equator, move in towards the equator. The greater the difference in the pressure, faster does the air move. जितना ज़्यादा प्रेशर डिफरेंस होगा लैटिट्यूड्स के बीच में या दो प्लेसेस के बीच में उतनी तेज़ी से एयर का मूवमेंट हो. And these winds are what? Moving air is called as winds. These winds blow from north and south towards the equator. At the poles, air is colder than the latitudes. Hence, the wind currents here are set up from poles towards the warmer latitudes. So, this is how air patterns are there. And these global air patterns are just due to the uneven heating of the earth. When the uneven heating of the earth means at the equator it is more heat and in the other latitudes there is less heat, as a result of which air from the equator becomes hot and rises up, creating low pressure at the equator. As a result, to occupy that place, the cooler air from the other latitudes rushes towards the equator, as a result of which global air patterns are created. Now another topic which I would like to cover is land and the sea breezes. Children, water gets heated up slowly than land during the daytime. There are two situations in front of you, daytime and night. Let us see during the daytime. During daytime, water gets heated up slowly and lands get heated up faster. इस समय लैंड ज़्यादा गर्म है और पानी कम गर्म है. तो किस चीज़ के ऊपर की एयर ज़्यादा गर्म होगी? लैंड की. The air above the land gets heated up quickly, and when it will heated up quickly, it will become lighter and it will rise up. जब वो ऊपर उठ जाएगी तो वहाँ की जगह क्या हो जाएगी? वेकेट हो जाएगी. और जो कूलर एयर है वाटर बॉडीज की, वाटर की, it will rush. The cooler air is above the sea, and from the sea, this air rushes towards the land, and with this movement of air is called as sea breeze. Now comes night. Now during the night, again water cools more slowly than the land. Land जल्दी ठंडा हो जाता है, पानी धीरे धीरे ठंडा होता है. As a result, the air above the water is now warmer. Since it is warmer, it will rise up. It will rise up, leaving the place with low pressure, and from the air from the land will rushes to occupy its space, and this is called as land breeze. This is the difference between sea breeze and land breeze. The breeze which rushes from sea to land is called a sea breeze, and the air which rushes from land to sea is called as land breeze. The reason I have already told you that during the daytime there is more heat on the land in comparison to water. As a result, the air on the land gets heated up and rises, leaving the low pressure area over there, and to occupy that space, the air from the sea rushes towards it, and it is called a sea breeze. And vice versa, during the night time, water cools more slowly than the land. As a result, the air of the water becomes warmer and rises up, and to take its place, cooler air from the land rushes towards the sea and is called as the land breeze. Hope you have understood it.